How to make rosemary water and its health benefits. Hello friends of the channel from all over the world, subscribe to our channel and like this video. It is very important for us to continue our work. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make rosemary water and discussing some of its amazing health benefits. Section 1. How to make rosemary water. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. A handful of fresh rosemary sprigs. 2 cups of water. A pot or saucepan. A strainer. A jar or container for storage. Step 1. Begin by washing the rosemary sprigs thoroughly under running water. Step 2. In a pot or saucepan, add 2 cups of water and the washed rosemary sprigs. Step 3. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let the rosemary steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down for a few minutes. Step 5. Strain the mixture through a strainer into a jar or container for storage. Section 2. Health benefits of rosemary water. Now that we've made our rosemary water, let's talk about some of its health benefits. Benefit 1. Digestive health. Rosemary water can help soothe an upset stomach and aid digestion. Benefit 2. Immune boosting. Rosemary water contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help boost the immune system. Benefit 3. Hair and skin health. Rosemary water can help improve the health of your hair and skin due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Benefit 4. Memory and focus. Rosemary water has been shown to improve memory and focus, making it a great drink for students and anyone looking to improve their cognitive abilities. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy recipe for rosemary water and some of its amazing health benefits. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the like button for this video.